In this case, the goat's the one that's afraid. So there's fear on the goat. Ta'agla ngawr. So gower is goat. Aaron sticks the N on there. So we have a little chart I handed out with the Urdu rules. That's N goes in front of a G. So like we have on the table, Aaron Moore. On the goat, Aaron ngawr. Okay? Aaron ngawr. Now, when you frighten someone, what you do is you put fear on them. Okay? So you say he frightened the goat or put fear on the goat. Hershe agla Aaron ngawr. Put he fear on the goat. Okay?
So is that useful for like everything?
You can use that for other things. So you smell something really good, you can say Hershe okrasorum, it put hunger on me.
I was going to say I scared my sister.
Yeah. Okay? Yeah, you can say, Herme agla. Yeah. Right.
What sister?
You wouldn't probably use it, Herme yefer, but you might not, yeah. It's more like, means more like you're scary than you really try to frighten her. Okay. And then, so you can say, for example, I drank a drink that made me tired. Dol me joch achur tershe oram. So dol me joch, drank I a drink, achur that put tiredness on me, tershe oram. Okay? So the there is that. Okay, and so going back to our main sentence now. Lig Donald bek as achur agla Aaron ngawr. So let Donald a yelp out of him. That put fear on the goat. So lig Donald bek as achur agla Aaron ngawr. Okay, and the word in Irish is really a bunch of different words that all are spelled So we've seen 3 of them already just now. His, her, and their are all The word means sometimes 2, like we had Begandom and Capra ihe, so it was necessary for me the sandwich to eat ihe. Okay, and it means here that. So Big Donald Bekas Achur Agla Ngawr, so Donald let out a yelp. That put fear on the goat. Okay? And
you just have to know the use.
Yeah, and once you know, I mean, you have words in English that look similar to each other too. And lots of words that sound similar, so you don't really have a problem with it in English. And likewise, once you know enough Irish to know where you are in a sentence, it really isn't a big issue. Okay?
If you forgot the on and just said hour, would it be understood that you meant the goat?
People would understand it, but you would say, if you were supposed to say on a goat, then you would say Erev Hour.
Well, if at my church, the last name is Nauer. It's not
Yeah.
spelled quite like that, but
Yeah.
it sounds so. It's going to
Right.
sound like a goat.
Right. Okay, why don't we take a break now?